Hey guys, this is Reagan.
And this is Abby with the very first KATZ live show of the 2024 to 25 school year.
Why are you being so different?
It's October.
What does that have to do with anything?
It's October.
Okay, let's see what kids are going to be for Halloween at Wester.
Happy Halloween!
Trick or treat.
What did you dress up as?
I'm that one guy from like that one scene in that one movie, remember? Like from that one year.
Sure,
Like the guy in the background. The 7th sequel.
I totally did.
Oh,
I totally
okay.
did.
Alright, thank you.
Welcome. Bye.
Hi, happy Halloween.
Hi.
What are you?
I'm the Easter Bunny.
I don't think that's how it works.
What?
Yeah, it's Halloween.
I thought it was Easter.
Hi, happy Halloween.
Trick or treat.
What are you dressed up as?
I don't know, but can I have some candy?
I don't think people who don't dress up get candy, so sorry. Maybe next time. Hi, happy Halloween.
Trick or treat.
Wow, I really like your thug outfit and the handcuffs. Here.
Thank you.
Bye.
Hi, happy Halloween.
Trick or treat. Thanks, bro. Peace out.
Bye.
Hi, happy Halloween.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, nah, not you again.
Trick or treat.
What are you going to be for Halloween? I'm going to be Snoopy.
I'm gonna be Lydia Dietz from Beetlejuice.
That's cool. I've never seen Beetlejuice.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Enough about Halloween. What about Wester sports this season? Let's check in on them.
Good job, Wildcats.
I came in like a volleyball.
I don't think those are the words to the song.
I know, but it's kind of fun.
Could you imagine if we had a package based off that concept? That'd be so stupid.
Oh. Let it go! Let it go! Okay. Let it go, let it go. I'm actually tweaking, guys. The only thing I know is let it go.
What's different? It's cruel summer with you. I'm drunk in the back of the car, and I cried like a baby coming home from the bar. Oh, I'm fine, but it wasn't true. I don't want to keep secrets just to keep you. When I snuck in through the garden gates every night, that's something to say your face. Oh, and I was forever. I love you, and that's the worst thing you ever. He looks so pretty when the devil hates you. Shame me so hard, it's you. The feeling I'm trying to hit you. Summer, it's true. Summer.
Let's go. Can I dance? I'm just a girl in a village doing alright. And I became a princess overnight. And I gotta figure out how to do it right. So much to learn and see. I'm impressed with my new family. In a school that's just for royalty. No enchanted world just waiting for me. I'm so excited to see Sophia the First. I'm finding out what being royal's all about. Sophia the First. I don't know this part. I love singing. I'm a fairy. Sophia the First. No. Yay.
That was amazingly funny.
Hey, Reagan, I'm getting kind of hungry.
I am too. I'm craving some pumpkin muffins. Maybe I could show you how to make them. How to make 2-ingredient pumpkin muffins. All you're going to need is 2 ingredients, pumpkin puree and spice cake. First, we're going to set the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now add 1 box of spice mix. Next, we're going to add the pumpkin puree. Once the ingredients are in the bowl, we're going to mix. Now that it's all mixed up, we're going to add it into the pan. Now, when it's fully full, we will go put it in the oven for 16 to 19 minutes. And when they're out of the oven, you can add any decorations you like. And that's how you make pumpkin muffins.
Oh, how did they taste?
So good. Have you ever wondered what food around the world tasted like?
Actually, yeah. Maybe we should ask some students around the school about their culture.
What country, city, or place does your family originate from?
I come from India.
What languages do you speak?
I speak Tamil and a little bit of Malayalam.
Describe some of the events or holidays you celebrate in your culture.
One of the holidays I've most recently celebrated is called Onam. It's where we kind of celebrate a type of god, and we make like a flower thing and eat lots of food.
What foods are popular in your culture and which one is your favorite?
In India, we eat Indian food, obviously, and my favorite type of Indian food is dosa, which is from South India.
What kind of music do people listen to in your culture? Do you like it? Why or why not?
We listen to Indian music and like classical kind of Indian music. I do enjoy it because it's fun to dance to.
What are some things people like to do for fun?
One of the things like I or people would like to do for fun is like dance mostly, or singing. There's like Carnatic or Bharatanatyam, which is like a type of dance and kind of singing.
What do you think is interesting about your country or place of origin?
One thing I think is really interesting is that cows are like sacred because it says in the Indian Constitution, and that's why we don't eat them. So I think that's interesting.
What country, city, or place does your family originate from?
My family originated from Pakistan.
What language or languages do you speak?
I speak Urdu, which is the main language spoken in Pakistan.
Describe some of the events or holidays you celebrate in your culture.
A lot of people celebrate Eid al-Fitr, which is a Muslim holiday in Pakistan.
What foods are popular in your culture, and which is your favorite?
A lot of foods are popular, like a lot of curry dishes with spices and stuff. My favorite is butter chicken.
What do you think is interesting about your culture or country of origin?
A lot of people listen to like kind of classical music, but also kind of like rock music too. It's okay. I like it. I like some songs, but not a lot of them.
That was pretty cool. I love learning about others' backgrounds.
Me too. Hey Reagan, do you think people would be interested in seeing the KATZ Live Room?
No.
Oh.
Can I help you? You want a tour of the KATZ Live Room? Come on in, I guess. This is where the magic happens.
You can do it now, or you can do it later. You can do it now, or you can do it later. You can do it now, or you can do it later. You can do it now, or you can...
So if we look to my right here, this is where we film the anchor shots. So when we sit at the desk and kind of introduce the packages, we keep walking over here, we can see all the monitors, and you know, we got a couple kids here editing right now. That's pretty cool, I guess. This is my computer. I have like an old interview project pulled up right now. This is the first thing we kind of worked on. It's nothing very fancy, but it's cool nonetheless. So if we keep walking this way, we're gonna come to the prop room. This is where we keep all of our knickknacks, doodads, and well, props that we use in every video. If we take a look, we've got some helmets, some coats, some flowers back here. I mean, just about anything you can imagine, really.
Say what you mean, so you can hold on to one thing. Life is tough, so you gotta be king. Rise above and remember one thing. You gotta say what you mean.
That's the KATZ Live Room for you. There's not really too much crazy stuff to look at. It is just kind of a classroom. While we do have some interesting decor, I guess, it's, you know, just kind of a classroom. Thanks for stopping by, and please, next time make a call before showing up.
Remember one thing, you gotta say what you mean. Say what you mean. Hold on to one thing.
So, Abby, are you excited to go trick-or-treating this year?
I'm not allowed to go trick-or-treating anymore.
Why?
My parents said I'm too old.
That's rough, buddy. Let's see what other kids are like on Halloween.
What are you going to be for Halloween? I'm going to be Ghostface. Why are you going to be Ghostface? So I can haunt people down. Thank you for that answer. What are you going to be for Halloween?
I am going to be a 1920s gangster.
Why are you going to be a 1920s gangster?
So me and my friends can be a 1920s gang.
Thank you for your... What are you going to be for Halloween?
I am going to be a haunted softball player.
Why are you going to be a haunted softball player?
Because I play softball and I have a lot of like makeup tattoos, so.
Thank you. What are you going to be for Halloween?
Me and my best friend, Victoria Mahawi, we're going to be Mazowski and Shelly. Y'all know who I'm talking about, Monsters, Inc.
Why are you going to be that for Monsters, Inc.?
Because it's like, it's the best duo. Like, the movies are wonderful. They're one of the best duos, so why not?
Thank you.
Well, that's it for the first KATZ Live show of the year. Hope you enjoyed the October show.
See you next time. This is Abby.
And this is Reagan.
KATZ signing off.